guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
My name is Chinkey
And I'm Sapna.
In today's video, we're going to discuss how can you make your 9 to 5 work more interesting.
You know, the harsh truth of every employee's life is that the work gets very repetitive and very boring. We all kind of love our work, but it's very difficult to cope up with the pressure.
And if you're one of them, then this video is just for you.
Before diving into this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell and let's get started. So first thing first, don't take your work home.
So what's the amount of time that you have to dedicate to work?
9 to 5?
Precisely. So when you're in office, make sure that you work just enough. Or at least you're seen working so that your employer can't just make you work extra because you've been unproductive. Next up, keep healthy relationships.
Make friends at your workplace who can help you release stress. You can't really choose who you are working with, but if in case any relationship gets bitter, it can surely affect your productivity.
And also, when you're with your colleagues, just try and ensure that you're not speaking too harshly about anyone, and just try and avoid gossiping as well.
And neither take any criticism too personally. Here comes the most important point. Make room for breaks.
Just as your mind has times of amazing productivity, you can also benefit from small breaks during your workday. These breaks will not only help you maintain that energy level, but they can be the breakthrough that you've been searching for.
It could be any small brisk walk inside or outside the office, or maybe just a fun plan with your colleague.
Sapna,
Yes.
I think it's time for a tea break.
Oh yes. So that's it for today's video, guys.
Thank you for watching the video, and in case you liked it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and we'll be back with another video really soon.
Stay tuned for the next video.